How to get Instagram notes. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video I will simply show you how you can get the Instagram notes feature, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're aware, if I open my Instagram basically released the globally and official version of Instagram notes, which is right on the DMs page. When you see over here, you'll be able to see all of the profiles. It's just like simulated story but a little bit different in a text format, and these are simply called Instagram notes. If you want to get this feature, the very first thing you have to do is first come to your profile page, tap on the three lines from the top right corner and go to settings. Once you go to settings, go to the option called privacy, and over here you want to scroll down and select the option called activity status, and you just want to make sure that you have turned on your active status, because turning off active status is going to disable some of the features that is available within the DMs page of Instagram. The other reason, as I said earlier, is because this has been updated globally, so you want to make sure that you have updated the Instagram app. So if you're on Android, open your Google Play Store, and if you're on iOS, open up your Apple App Store, and in the search box you just want to go ahead and then type in Instagram. Once you type in Instagram on your respective app stores, you want to check whether or not Instagram says the update button over here, because if you see most likely an update button, it means your Instagram app requires an update, and you would most likely need to update it in order to get the Instagram notes feature. And if it's still not available in your country, then it most likely is that Instagram hasn't released it officially. So in that case, you can try using a VPN, which is a virtual private network, in order to help you access the Instagram notes. And hopefully one of these solutions may have solved your issue. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.